Greetings, fellow students. My name is William Dane Lopez, a scholar of PSH's Mimarapa Region Campus. Our topic that we will be talking about is figures of speech. First is simile, a type of figure speech that uses like and ask to compare two different things to make a description more emphatic. Examples: Robert is loud like a tiger. Sophia is elegant as a swan. Now, your turn. Can you give me a simile sentence? Next is metaphor, a type of figure speech that suggested likeness or analogy between two things. This is more direct than simile. Examples: he is a pig when he eats at parties. Justin is an angel when it comes to personality. Again, can you tell me a metaphor sentence? Irony, a figure speech that uses humor sense to tell one's purpose the exact opposite. Examples: a robber got involved in a robbery. A fire station got burned down. Be funny because you're gonna tell me a irony statement. Fourth is personification, a type of figure speech that attributes human-like qualities to objects and non-living things. Example: the clouds whispered to the woods. The guitar sang with the harmony. Now, can you tell me a personification statement? Onomatopoeia, a type of figure speech in which a word is pronounced the same way as the sound it makes. Example: the bee buzzed through the garden. The clock ticked-tock at a quiet castle. Now, we are done with the 5 common types of figure speech. Now, we will be having our quick test to observe your understanding.
How to play. I will read a sentence and tell me what type of figure speech is that. Let's go. Number 1. The train swooshes through the subway. 3, 2, 1, go. And the answer is onomatopoeia. Next question. He looks like a baby when he sleeps. 3, 2, 1, go. And the answer is simile. Final question. The trees danced when the wind was hard last night. 3, 2, 1, go. And the answer is personification. Thank you for participating in our quiz. Until next time, see ya.